I believe we all have a time. We all have a time where no matter what we're going through, no matter how far off we think we are from the Lord, there's a time where He comes and you say yes, and He's ready, and all of the abundance, all of the beauty, all of the purpose, all of the wonderful miracle signs and wonders that He has for you to experience will be right there at your door waiting for you, and you'll have eyes to see and ears to hear and be totally open, totally receptive to all of the goodness that He has for you. Having those encounters let me know that He was real. And so if you don't believe in God right now, if you can't hear from Him right now, just pray to have an encounter with Him. Ask Him, Lord, if you are real, show me. If you are real, reveal yourself to me. God, open my spiritual eyes so I can see from you clearly. Open my spiritual ears so I can hear from you clearly. I want to see you, Lord. I want you, Lord. Sometimes God will appear when you become desperate enough, when you have a spirit of desperation, when you're hungry for Him, when you're longing for Him. That's what He wants to see. He wants to see you humble. He wants a contrite spirit, meaning He wants you to be broken down so much to the point where you're like, God, I cannot do it without you. God, I don't want it if it doesn't include you. God, I'm not going if I cannot bring you, if your spirit won't meet me there. And I'm telling you, from that prayer, God is going to start ministering to you. And you have to understand that it's not the loud voices sometimes. Sometimes it's in your circumstances. Sometimes it's in the whispers. Sometimes you'll hear His audible voice. Sometimes you're reading the Word and the Word is speaking directly to your life circumstances. Sometimes it's your pastor at church or somebody that He sends on your path, like a prophet or a teacher or a mentor. Whoever it is that's closest to you, God will use them. And baby, He will even use those who's not saved, sanctified, and holy. He might send a sinner on your path that will give you a message about your life. If you pay attention enough, if you look deep into it enough, they're talking to you. He will use a child that probably doesn't know anything about God, your own son or your own daughter, to speak a word into your life. Pay attention. He's everywhere. He's all around you. God is always wanting to connect with His children, but we have to slow down and just consider, where is God in this moment? What is it that you want me to learn in this moment? What are you trying to have me hear in this moment? Lord, what is it that you need from me in this moment? That level of surrenderance, that level of desire for Him is how He will begin to answer your prayers quicker and show up for you in ways that you could never even imagine or ask for, okay? My life of learning how to follow God, how to journey life with God in partnership, in relationship, all started in 2016. And it has been a phenomenal 9 years of me getting to know Him, love Him, be pruned by Him, healed by Him, matured by Him, and loved by Him. I wouldn't trade it for the world. Do I want to go through the things that I had to go through again to get here? Absolutely not. Please, never again. But am I grateful? Am I better for it? 1,000%. 1,000%. Hi, my loves. Hi, Warrior family. Listen, baby. Welcome back to Warrior Bride Royalty. I am Dr. G. Thank you for taking the time out to listen to my testimony video. If you haven't already, baby, what are you waiting for? Get it together. Go and watch that video, okay? I'm going to link it in the description box below as well as in my comment section so you can watch it and get caught up to where we are. I just started rolling them out, so don't worry. You ain't miss a lot. You ain't miss a whole lot, but you will if you don't subscribe to this channel and if you don't go and watch that video, okay? We are going to be bridging the future testimony videos off of that message. So make sure you stay tuned next Tuesday for Testimony Tuesdays with Dr. G, the queen here. Let me stop. I will see you soon.